Oh, guys, again, I would like to say thank you. Many years to come to celebrate this. And of course, to God be all the glory. Thank you so much. Meron akong sorpresa. Meron akong pasabog para sa inyong lahat. Meron akong special guest all the way from Italy! Yan! So, welcome home din itong celebration. So, happy Thanksgiving! Happy 1 year anniversary to Mama Co's channel and welcome home, guys!
Happy anniversary!
Oh my God! Oh, wow! Okay, gonna blow this. Happy birthday to Mama Quatang's channel. First year anniversary. Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. Happy Thanksgiving Day to all and happy first year anniversary to our channel, the Mama Quatang's channel. Guys, celebrate. This is a big day for us to celebrate and the reason for us to say thank you. So, but before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So join me today to celebrate this big day for our first year anniversary. Happy birthday to Mama Quatang's channel. So, but before, I would like to shout out to our previous vlog, the Jollibee style spaghetti, Jopels, John David Dasmarinas, just here for the goodies, and Digital Taste, and Neil Lorraine Lagad, Simply Emerald, Joe Swish, and Cocina Nikino, Alvin Montesa, and Rob De La Fuente. Thank you so much for all your comments to our previous vlog, the Jollibee style spaghetti. Based on our 1 year Mama Quatang's channel analytics, so we have 2,500 subscribers! And of course, wala namang masamang mangarap. So, road to 100,000 or to 1 million subscribers! And then we have uploaded 72 videos since October 2019 and up to this month, October 2020. So, 72 videos being uploaded. Okay, and then watch time is 302,260 minutes. Okay, and for the likes, it's 98.05%. So, maraming nag-likes and thank you so much. And of course, to all my family, friends, and relatives, my followers in my Facebook account, and followers in my Instagram account, and also my viewers, my subscribers, and lahat-lahat na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na! Now na! And also to my children, Josh, Earl, and Yani, my editor, my managers, my editors, my managers, and my critics. Thank you so much for making all this possible for Mama Quatang channel a success. Making everything possible for Mama Quatang's channel a success. And above all, I would like to thank God for giving me all the energy to let's go. And energy, skills, and talent to be able to share to all of you guys. So, thank you so much for staying with me up to this time, for 1 year and many more years to come. For Mama Quatang's channel, walang iwanan. Okay, so, Okay guys, hindi kumpleto ang first year anniversary of Mama Quatang's channel kung walang handaan at saka walang kainan. Kaya kumpleto tayo ngayon. So, una, nagluto tayo ng crispy pork. Ayan. And then, meron tayo ditong pansit. Kasi hindi pwedeng walang pansit. Kasi this is our family's favorite. Pansit Mickey. So, ayan. Pansit, pansit. And then, meron tayo dyang Bicol Express. Pero ang nagluto, taga Dipolog City. So, tinatawagin natin itong Dipolog Express. Meron tayo ditong calderitas. Okay, ayan. And of course, hindi kompleto pag walang mga kakanin. So, meron tayo ditong torta, Cebu style, and puto bigas, and bibingka. Ayan. And then, the macarons Filipino style. Ayan. So, And then, of course, meron tayong rice dyan, bandang dyan. So, ayan. So, kompletos na ang ating handaan. And then, in a while, kakain na tayo. So, tawagin ko muna sila, okay? Meron akong sorpresa. Meron akong pasabog para sa inyong lahat. Meron akong special guest all the way from Italy! Tada! Yeah! So, welcome home din itong celebration. So, happy Thanksgiving! Happy 1-year anniversary to Mama Co's channel! And welcome home, guys! Yeah, so, okay, and to my family there, Papa Q!
Introduction! Happy anniversary!
Oh my God! Oh, wow! Yeah, okay, gonna blow this. Happy birthday to Mama Quatang's channel. First year anniversary. Okay. Okay, guys, again, I would like to say thank you. Ayos! Again, I would like to say thank you to my children, Josh, Earl, and Yani, and of course to Papa Q and to my family, friends, and relatives for, alam you guys, si Josh, Earl, and Yani, they are my managers, directors, and critics. And of course, guys, to all of you, all this time, thank you for all your support. Thank you so much for being with me all the time, all this time, and many, many, many years to come to celebrate the...
Magdali na,
Tagal naman yung mga
Punchline. And of course, to God be all the glory. Thank you so much.
So, paano yun? Of course.
Okay, and then, guys, samahan nyo kami, guys, para sa ating celebration for the first year anniversary of Mama Quatang's channel! Okay, ito nga taksingget. Okay guys, kainan time na. And then, samahan nyo kami to celebrate the first year anniversary of Mama Quatang's channel!
Grabe mga laway. Channel!
Okay, so alin na, kain na tayo. Uy, kuha ka na plato.